time that I try to be healthier and eat better foods, my grandma appeared in my house with a coxinha in her hands. Candice!
But you need to eat vegetables, honey.
Candice!
No vegetables.
Candice!
Shut up.
Shut up, you!
Do you eat healthy foods?
Yes,
And why you do this?
because my mom obligated me.
Oh, don't cry.
I don't wanna be healthy.
Apples, bananas, tra la 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 la. Eat healthy foods, woman, tra la 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 la.
Bye bye. Darling, just try the meat, please.
I don't like it.
Try this, but you're gonna eat. It's healthy for you. Try, darling. Just try a little bit.
No! Rochelle! Rochelle!
I'd like to have a tea.
Calm down. What flavor?
Cinnamon or meat?
Wait, are you prepared?
I can't wait.
I will bring you how you like.
Hey, Patrick.
Hi.
When potatoes have babies, what are they called?
I don't know.
There are thoughts.